Hello Drupalers, welcome back to our Drupal tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into some fundamental aspects of Drupal, including content types, fields, nodes, menus, and taxonomy. These are the building blocks of any Drupal website, and understanding them is crucial for creating dynamic and organized content. So let's get started. Content type. First, let's talk about content types. Content types are like template for your website content. They define the structure and behavior of different types of content on your Drupal site. Content types allows you to classify and categorize content, making it easier to manage and display on your website. By default, Drupal provides two content types. The first one is article and the second one is basic page. Let's go ahead and create a new content type. I will name this content type as books and we'll click on save and manage field button. By default, Drupal provides two fields to the content type. The first one is title and the other one is body field. Now we have our content type setup. Let's talk about fields. Fields are the individual pieces of information or data that makes up your content. Drupal provides various field types such as text, image, date, and more. You can also create custom fields to suit your specific needs. Let's add some fields to our content type and see how they work. I will name this field as books image and click on save and edit button. Here we have some configuration like this field is limited and can store only one value. We have a checkbox here which defines whether the field is required or not. For now, I will check this box. Creating nodes. Now, let's create some nodes using the content type we just defined. For that, I will go to content, add content, and my content type name. Here I will add title, body, and image to this content type. So here's the title for my content type. Description and the image. So this is my content, the title, description, and the image. Menus. Next up we have menus. Menus help you organize and structure the navigation of your website. Creating menus. Let's create a custom menu and add some menu items to it. For that, we need to go to structure, menus, and add menu. To this menu we can add a links. So for that, add link, and we can click on save button. So we have created a menu with name books menu and a link to it, which is the node URL. Now let's talk about taxonomy. Lastly, let's explore taxonomy. Taxonomy is all about categorizing and classifying your content. For that, we need to navigate to structure, taxonomy. We will create a vocabulary here with name books type. We'll click on save button. Now taxonomy uses terms to classify content. We will quickly use this taxonomy inside our content type. For that, I will navigate to structure, content types, books, and manage field. We will add a new field here with type taxonomy term and we will name it as type. Here again is the limit to the value, which is 1, and taxonomy term. So we will click on save field settings. This field is required and we will add tags here. We'll click on save settings button here. Now quickly add term to our content. For that I will go to content here. Here we have a node which we created. So I will click on edit button and we have a type field here. I will type here Python and we'll click on save button. Now this content is tagged to Python term. So when I click on Python, it will open taxonomy term page and will list down all the items related to Python. And there you have it, folks. We have covered some of the foundational elements of Drupal, which were content types, fields, nodes, menus, and taxonomy. These tools allow you to create dynamic, organized, and user-friendly website with Drupal. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe for more Drupal tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next Drupal adventure.